Hi, friends! Welcome to Lori's Learning Tree. Today, we're going on a buzzing adventure to learn all about honeybees. Are you ready to fly with me into the amazing world of bees? Let's get our wings ready. Everyone, hold your arms out and flap them like this. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Great job! Now, let's fly. Every morning, a honeybee wakes up in its cozy hive. A hive is like a bee's house, and it's always buzzing with activity. There are thousands of bees working together inside. In the hive, each bee has a special job. There are worker bees, drone bees, and even a queen bee. The worker bees wake up early to get to work. Let's pretend we're worker bees waking up. Stretch your arms up really high, yawn. Time to start the day. Worker bees leave the hive to collect nectar from flowers. Nectar is a sweet liquid that flowers make, and bees use it to create honey. Let's pretend we're flying to a flower. Hold out your arms, flap your wings, and buzz. Find a flower and slurp the nectar like this. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Yum. Did you know bees have a long tongue called a proboscis to suck up nectar? Let's all pretend we have one. Slurp up that nectar. Great job, little bees. Once the bees collect the nectar, they fly back to the hive and work together to turn it into honey. They do this by passing the nectar from bee to bee and adding special enzymes from their tummies. Can you pretend to pass nectar? Pass it to your neighbor. Good job. After the nectar is thickened, the bees store it in honeycomb cells and seal it with wax to keep it fresh. That's how we get the sweet, golden honey we love. Yum! Did you know bees have 5 eyes and they can fly up to 15 miles per hour? Let's try flying fast like bees. Ready? Buzz as fast as you can. Go, go, go! Buzz! Wow, you're fast little bees. Do you hear that? It's the queen bee. She's the leader of the hive. She lays all the eggs to keep the colony growing. Let's give the queen bee a big buzz. Say, "Hello, Your Majesty." Bees aren't just busy. They're super important. They help pollinate flowers, fruits, and vegetables. That means they help plants grow by carrying pollen from one flower to another. Let's be pollinators. Pretend to pick up pollen and sprinkle it onto another flower. Great job, everyone. Wow, what an adventure we had today. We learned how bees make honey, work together, and help plants grow. The next time you see a bee, give it a little wave and say, "Thank you."